Are you tired of bland meals? Do you find yourself staring at your plate, wishing for a burst of flavor that never comes? You're not alone. Many people struggle with making their meals exciting and flavorful. But what if I told you that the secret to transforming your cooking lies in something as simple as a pinch of spice? Discover how a pinch of spice can make all the difference. Just a small amount can elevate your dish from ordinary to extraordinary. Spices have the power to enhance the natural flavors of your ingredients, making every bite a delightful experience. Welcome to Spice Mixing 101. In this guide, we'll take you through the basics of spice mixing, helping you understand how to use spices to their full potential. Whether you're a beginner or someone looking to refine your skills, this is the perfect place to start. Think of spices as the superheroes of your kitchen. Just like superheroes, each spice has its own unique power and personality. When used correctly, they can save your meals from the clutches of blandness and bring them to life. They can transform any dish from meh to wow. Imagine serving a dish that leaves your guests in awe, all because you knew the right spices to use. It's like having a secret weapon in your culinary arsenal. Let's start with the basics: salt and pepper. These two are the foundation of flavor in any dish. Salt enhances the natural flavors of your ingredients, while pepper adds a subtle heat and complexity. These two are like Batman and Robin, always better together. Just like the dynamic duo, salt and pepper work best when they complement each other, creating a balanced and flavorful base for your dishes. Next, meet the spicy trio: cumin, paprika, and turmeric. These spices are like the Avengers of your spice rack, each bringing its own unique flavor and benefits to the table. Cumin adds warmth and earthiness, making it perfect for hearty dishes. Paprika brings a smoky sweetness that can elevate your stews and roasts. And turmeric offers a golden glow and a subtle bitterness that can brighten up any dish. Now imagine mixing these. It's like creating your own flavor masterpiece. Combining different spices allows you to create complex and layered flavors that can take your cooking to the next level. Want a quick tip? Try blending cinnamon with chili powder for a sweet heat combo that'll surprise your taste buds. This unexpected pairing can add a unique twist to your dishes, making them memorable and exciting. Experimentation is key. Don't be afraid to mix and match. The beauty of spices is that there are no hard and fast rules. You can create your own blends and discover new flavor combinations that suit your taste. After all, the best recipes are born from a little bit of spice and a lot of curiosity. Don't be afraid to experiment and try new things. You might just stumble upon your new favorite dish. So grab those spices and start your flavor journey today. Happy cooking! Remember, the world of spices is vast and full of possibilities. With a little creativity and a willingness to experiment, you can transform your cooking and make every meal an adventure. Thank you for watching, and be sure to watch our weekly videos. At SpoonCrafty, our mission is to transform everyday meals into unforgettable and tasteful delights.